shouldn't, but I want to.
I'm on the car, just moving right along.
Yeah, you bastard. You got too many legs. You don't have no legs to live.
Good.
Good.
Are we speed?
Yeah.
Got that one from Heavyweights. All right, there we go. This song's about a friend of my younger sister's. Two of them, actually. Spelled my heart out today. At the spelling bee, I took third place. So when I call my dad, he's away on business. I'm gonna tell him all about my ribbon. And he's gonna be so proud of me. He's gonna be so proud of his little girl. I can't wait to hear his voice again. So I left him a message to tell him I spelled poignant, but he won't ever get it. He won't ever listen. Well, God, can you put him on layaway? He owes me ice cream for my straight A's. I've got boys for him to intimidate, and a weepy smile for him when he gives me away. Gives me away. So I left him a message. Can you make sure he gets it? Because he's leaving for heaven. He'd be so proud of me. You'd be so proud of who I grew up to be. You'll never again be on time. You'll never walk me down the aisle. You'll never walk me down the aisle. You'll never again be imperfect. You'll never be overprotective. You'll never hear my last message. So I'll make it poignant. It's a big word for someone my age, but so is death. Now you'll only be late. You'll only be late. Now you'll only be still glows. The light finds cracks between the folds.